very easy. All right. Now, for a given ship, there is also a matching backdrop to indicate the life of the monster and the life of your appropriate ship. And I've created backdrops for every single ship that you can choose, right? For the duration of this chapter, I'm going to use this backdrop for the Viper. But if you have a different favorite ship, you can pick another backdrop. Then we have sprites for bullets. These will be the bullets that we will fire towards the monster. And this bullet sprite has two costumes. One, a plain green bullet, and one signifying an explosion. So when the bullet will hit any one of these barrels. Speaking of bullets, we also have monster-generated bullets. So this is the black bullet that the monster will fire towards us. And when the bullet explodes, it has this nice explosion effect, and we will cycle between these costumes to simulate an explosion effect. The same effect will also be available for the monster bombs. So these are time bombs that the monster will fire, and these bombs will stay on the stage for a number of seconds, and they will cycle the costumes